Hey guys, I'm super excited. This is the unboxing of Farm Fresh, which is, they're drops that I bought that make you look darker. And the reason I bought them, number one, is the contributions go to rescuing and loving massages to animals. So this is near and dear to my heart because I love animals, and I thought that this would be a great way to give back. So we're gonna unbox, we're gonna see what they look like, we're gonna try them on. So here goes. It just arrived in the mail. I'm excited. It tells all about rescuing for two. So I rescued 2 animals. Every purchase helps animals in need. Track your batch online. So you can go in and you can track which animals you rescued. That's pretty neat. It comes with a magazine of, just shows their different products that they have. Got, looks like a few little tutorials. Here's their animals. I think it's just a neat cause, and I get something out of it too. So let's see what this looks like. Comes in this big, kind of excited. So let's open it up. A lot of wrapping for such a little jar. Got more unwrapping to do. This is, you can kind of see a little bit. That was my dog, Bella. Got a little bit of tape on this. So these are what they look like. They're Lustre Drench Instant Glow Dry Oil. That's what it looks like. There's the back. It says you can get a glowing, sun-kissed look in an instant. The last absorbing, healthy, light, dry oil leaves a subtle golden bronze luster that absorbs instantly. Our silicone-free formula nourishes with vitamin K-rich red garnet micro amaranth extract it grows on their farm. You apply onto dry skin for a beautiful rinse-off glow that looks straight from the beach. And it says to shake before use. The natural ingredients will settle. So, here goes nothing. Shake before use. We're just gonna try it on my arms, I think. Okay. I suppose you just put some in your hands. just smooth it on. This is what it looks like. It comes out. Just put it on. It's a dry oil. It has a really good smell to it. It smells almost like coconut. It's not real strong. Just put it on. It doesn't look like it leaves any streaks. We'll just put it on the hand also. We'll see what that does. It says to rinse off. So let's put some on the other arm. Just put two. I just did 2 squirts, so we'll just put a little. It feels really good on the skin. It doesn't leave any streaks. Leaves your skin feeling smooth. We'll come back and we'll do another video here in a couple hours, and we'll just see if it does anything, if it sets, if it gets darker. But this is what it looks like. It's just a nice subtle okay. So that was the unboxing of the Farmhouse Fresh Goods. And you can go to farmhousefreshgoods.com to look at their products. It has a really good smell. Okay. Well, that's it for now. Check back with me later in a couple hours and we'll see if it's developed into anything darker. Bye, guys.